In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image manually in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to edit your picture. Make sure the image is already inserted into the worksheet so you can work with it directly. Cropping is useful when you want to remove unwanted edges, extra background space, or any part of the image that is not necessary for your spreadsheet. Once your workbook is open, click on the picture you want to crop. This step is important because Excel only shows the image editing tools when the picture itself is selected. When the image is active, you should see the formatting options for pictures appear at the top of the Excel window. Next, go to the Picture Format tab. This is where Excel places most of the tools related to image editing and adjustment. If you do not see this tab right away, double check that the picture is selected because the tab usually appears only when an image is highlighted. From there, look for the size group. Inside that section, click Crop. As soon as you do, black crop handles will appear around the edges and corners of the picture. These handles let you control which parts of the image remain visible and which parts are removed from view. Now drag the black crop handles inward to trim away the areas you do not want. You can drag from the sides if you only want to remove part of the image horizontally or vertically, or drag from the corners if you want to adjust both directions at once. Take your time with this step so the picture keeps the framing you want. A helpful tip here is to make small adjustments first, since it is easier to fine-tune the crop gradually than to overcrop the image too quickly. When you are satisfied with the result, click anywhere outside the picture or press Enter on your keyboard. This applies the crop and confirms your changes. At that point, the image will display only the portion you decided to keep, and that's all there is to it. Manually cropping an image in Excel is a quick way to clean up visuals and make your worksheet look more polished and focused. Once you know where the crop tool is, the process becomes very simple and easy to repeat whenever you need it.